Hello friends, I'm Ruby and today we are going to have so much fun counting. Are you ready? Let's go. Look, here is the number 1 and here is one red apple. Can you say 1? Great. Let's hop like a rabbit one time. Ready? Hop. That was a big hop. Now look, it's my friend Coco. She has 2 yellow bananas. 1, 2. 2 bananas. Can you clap your hands 2 times? 1, 2. Wonderful. Here comes Max the puppy. He has 3 bouncy balls. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. 3 balls. Can you bark like a puppy? Woof, woof, woof. You're so good at this. Look at Bella the butterfly. She's found 4 beautiful flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 flowers. Let's spin around like a butterfly. You are a counting superstar. Oh wow, look at the 5 twinkling stars. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 stars. Show me your hand and wiggle your 5 fingers. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. High 5. We counted all the way to 5. Great job, friends. See you next time for more fun with Ruby and Coco. Goodbye.